Aircraft maintenance has traditionally relied on scheduled inspections and reactive repairs, but artificial intelligence is shifting that paradigm. By analyzing data from thousands of sensors embedded in engines, wings, and landing gear, machine learning models can detect subtle patterns that precede mechanical failures. These algorithms are trained on historical maintenance records and real-time telemetry, learning to flag anomalies like unusual vibration frequencies or temperature spikes days or even weeks before a component might fail. Airlines using predictive maintenance have reported fewer unscheduled groundings, lower repair costs, and improved safety margins. The system doesn't replace human mechanics, it helps them prioritize which parts need attention, reducing guesswork. This approach is especially critical in aviation, where unplanned downtime can disrupt global schedules and safety is paramount. The takeaway is clear: AI-driven predictive maintenance turns raw sensor data into actionable foresight, making air travel more reliable and efficient without compromising the human expertise that keeps planes in the sky.